Hi Tex, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a photo shuffle wallpaper on your iPhone. You see, instead of making multiple separate wallpapers, you can make one where you can view all your photos at once. Isn't that cool? Well, if you want to learn how to do this, listen to the following steps. First, go to Settings, and now select Wallpaper. Select Add New Wallpaper. Now tap the Photo Shuffle button. Choose a set of photos to shuffle. You can use featured photos or select photos manually. Once you've selected the photos, click Add. You can double check with your photos you selected by clicking on the icon with the 6 boxes located on the bottom left of your screen. Click on the 3 dots on the bottom right of your screen, which will set a frequency for the shuffle, such as on tap, on lock, hourly, or daily. My recommendation is to use on tap, so you can use it even when you're locked. Now click Add. Finally, click Set as Wallpaper Pair. To test it out, lock your iPhone. If you select the frequency to on tap on your screen, you will see the wallpaper change. Cool, right? Yes, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one, and keep personalizing and shuffling.